So I started getting into furniture restoration because my mom owned an antique shop and I was really into all the furniture that she had there and the old vintage stuff. And so that was always something that I had in my background. And when I got older, I needed furniture, and I was able to find furniture cheaply that a lot of people were just giving away or didn't want. And so I was like, oh, I can refinish these, and learned how to refinish and also like have furniture for myself. I love learning how to use new products. I love learning from other professionals, and I love creating a space for myself and developing my own art and expanding on that. A lot of the stuff that people are getting rid of is because it's sort of out of trend, or people can't imagine or envision it in their house in a more modern, creative way. I think what makes people want to buy vintage over a big box store is quality, the historical element of it, and the restoration or the redesign of a piece. I think in the way that makes me different is I can represent these old pieces in my house and how I photograph them. That makes people sort of change their mind or realize, oh wow, that I really like that, or vintage is interesting.